Ever felt inspiration vanish before you found a pencil? Or the internet cuts out, just as you're about to create? There's finally a solution. Behold, the magic drawing board by XP Pen. It's not just a tablet. It's a gateway out of reality. No computer, no internet. Just you, your hand, and your imagination unleashed. Equipped with an astonishing 16,384 pressure levels, a brilliant 12.2-inch screen, and a crystal-clear 2,160 by 1,440 resolution, showcasing 16.7 million vibrant colors. Even your grandpa will tell you, this isn't just a tablet, it's the very soul of a paintbrush. And with its 8,000 milliamp hours battery, this lightweight, silent marvel lets you create anywhere, from your couch to the bus. The magic drawing board. Not just drawing, it's a creative experience from another dimension. Available now in Israel. Stop clicking, start creating. Your hand is ready.